India, many people doesn't know their legal rights and the limitation. Here comes to the video that every woman should know that 10 legal rights and limitations which are prevailing in India. Before going to the detailed video, let me introduce myself. I am Shileka Pujari, practicing advocate in the state of Telangana and Maharashtra. The first one is Domestic Violence Act. When any woman during the marital course having the domestic relationship experiences any kind of physical, mental or financial harassment, then they can get a protection under this act. Along with that, they do have the Maintenance Act, where any woman being illiterate, not having the proper financial source, they can get protection from her husband and also for her children. The limitations are when any woman approaching the court, she has to submit an affidavit in giving an undertaking, whatever the assets, liabilities, investments and the financial source has to be genuine. And also if any false information submitted by the woman, she will be penalized. And also the concept of perjury will be attracted to her. The second one is the Prevention of the Sexual Harassment of the Women at Workplace 2013, where it act itself shows when any woman experiences any kind of the sexual harassments, she has to submit a complaint before the committee, and the committee, based on the evidences given by the women and also the other person whom the allegations are made, they'll make a final report. And also the section 14 of the act itself gives when any woman gives any kind of false complaint, she will be penalized. The third one is Zero FIR. When any woman gives any kind of complaint on the sexual harassments or any kind of offences which is against the women, then she can give a complaint even to the place which is not concerned to the jurisdiction. The concerned jurisdiction has to transfer the complaint to the relevant jurisdiction where the offence has taken place. Then the investigation officer has to register and should make a investigation in the proper detailed manner. The fourth one is the procedure of recording the 161 statements for the women. In the situations like where the offences have taken place against the women, the 161 statement has to be recorded only by the women police officer. In the other situations like the POCSO, where the 161 statements has to be recorded by the women police officer, at the time they should not wear the police uniform. And the fifth one is free legal aid. The women are entitled to get the free legal aid services irrespective of the financial capacity from the National Legal Service Authority of India. The other legal provisions where the women having the equal rights in the ancestral property. Here the ancestral property itself shows that they can claim the property of the great-grandfather, grandfather and father's property. But the common mistakes that many women are doing, they were claiming on the self-acquired property and the self-acquired property of the grandfather, which the father have got before the birth of the daughter, women. So in that situations, the woman has to file or can get the property rights only after the death of the father or grandfather, if they have passed away without execution of any kind of will. The other legal rights are the women are entitled to the equal remunerations. They will be protected under the Equal Remuneration Act of 1976, where the women doing the similar work